This is called Giribach pigeon. Here you can see. This is called uh, Mumbai pigeons. It's a fancy type pigeon. Here, this is also Mumbai, and this is racer. This is called Bakri type racer. Bakri racer. Bakri racer pigeon. And there are different types of pigeons, as you can see. And here it is. This is also a Giribach Kabutar, Giribach pigeon. And here it is. It is called Chuithal pigeon. This is also a Mumbai pigeon. This is also Giribach pigeon. This is Mumbai, and this is called Sabji racer pigeon. Here you can see racer pigeons. And this is a Giribach pigeon. I think it's a cross of Giribach and Chuithal pigeon.